How to delete DeepSeek AI account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your DeepSeek AI account. In order to delete your DeepSeek AI account, first of all, you'll need to open your DeepSeek AI application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now in this page at the top left, you will be able to see two bars. Tap on those bars to access the site menu. In the site menu at the very bottom, on the left side, you will be able to locate your profile icon and the name. Simply tap on it and this will take you to your profile page. Now once you reach your profile page, at the very bottom of this page, you will be able to locate delete account option. Now you will need to simply tap on this delete account and then a pop-up will appear. Here it says that once you delete your account, all your unused balance will be forfeited and all the services of DeepSeek will be blocked. Now if you agree with that, go ahead and tap on this delete button right here and then wait for a few seconds. After that, you will see your account has been successfully deleted on DeepSeek. Now you will not be able to reactivate it or retrieve any of the content or information associated with it. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your DeepSeek AI account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.